TaxDome Client Academy. How to use the mobile app to upload documents. Hello, this is Rick with TaxDome. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to use a mobile app for uploading documents to your portal. Let's go to the Documents section. First, I'll show you how you can use your device to take photos and immediately upload it to our system. Make a photo, then do the same thing for the next page. Once you've taken photos of all pages, tap the button showing the number of pages at the right. You can preview your photos, crop them, and rotate any of them. Delete the bad ones or add as many more photos as you like by tapping the plus button if needed. Once you're satisfied with all the photos, tap the Upload button to proceed. You will see the tree view of all folders for your account. Select the appropriate folder, then click Save. The document will be saved as a single PDF file. Now, let me show you how to upload documents which you already have on your device. Tap the Document Upload button to the right of the folder of your choice. Then select one or more files from the device. Once you've added all the documents, tap Upload, and here you are. And that's all for this video. If you'd like to check out more helpful videos just like this, please be sure to check out our TaxDome YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.